Hi everybody, it's Jayme. I'm from the Milton Public Library and I'm bringing you the first installment of what we're calling Library Shorts. The Rock County Libraries have teamed up together and once a month we're going to bring you a week full of all different kinds of lessons, things ranging from math to writing to health and wellness. And today the first lesson is candy corn math. All these lessons are meant to be done with items that you have laying around your house. So what you'll need today is candy corns, or if you don't like candy corns, which I know a lot of people don't, I don't know what's wrong with you people, you can use something else that is in the shape of a triangle, or you can just make little triangles on paper. And something else you'll need is a set of dominoes. If you don't have these, you can make dominoes out of paper. And then you'll also need a marker. The first thing we're going to try today is something called candy corn solve and cover. I actually pulled this off of Teachers Pay Teachers for free, but if you don't want to try to access Teachers Pay Teachers or make an account, you can just make a candy corn for yourself out of paper and a marker. It's super easy because all you need to do is make a triangle. Then you'll want to add some different numbers depending on how difficult you want to make it for whoever is going to be doing the activity. Once you have your template made, you're going to also want to make some different cards that have little math problems on them. So this one has a missing number. We have some simple addition problems. Problems using tens and ones, and numbers just written out. You can also do other types of problems based on how difficult you want to make this. Then you put your cards in a pile. You want to get your candy corns ready or something to cover each number. All right, so my first one says 76 blank 78. So you have to figure out what goes in between, and if that's on your sheet, you'll cover it up. There's 77, so I'm gonna cover it up. Let's try the next one. 10 plus 8. Think of the answer. 10 plus 8 is 18. I don't have that on my chart, so I just put it to the side. This one says 2 10s and 3 1s. 2 10s is 20, 3 1s is 3, so 23. I have that on my sheet, I can cover it up. And you just continue to go through this sheet until all the numbers are covered. Another thing that you can do with this same sheet is have your child cover up odd or even numbers. So you would just tell them, I want you to cover up all of the odd numbers. And they would go through looking at each number and cover only the numbers that are odd, like so. Just a fun and easy way to practice some basic number skills. Another cool thing you can do using your bag of candy corns, and this one you'll have to use the autumn mix bag that has the different types of candy corns in it, is you can do a graphing activity. So along the bottom, we will put the different candies. We have the regular candy corns. We have the chocolate candy corns. And then we have the pumpkins. You can make a column for each of those. And then do a little bit of graphing. Fill your numbers in along the side, and then just pull out of your bag. And then when you're done, you can have your child simply fill in the graph. And this is a great way to practice basic graphing skills. One last cool thing we're gonna do involves the dominoes, and then the candy corns, or like I said, if you don't like the candy corns, you can try something else that is in the shape of a triangle, or just make your own greater than, less than signs. So we're gonna grab some dominoes. Depending on how difficult you want to make this, you can either have them multiply the numbers on the dominoes or add them together. So here we have 6 plus 7, that equals 13. Here we have 9 plus 2, that equals 11. And then you can use your candy corn, which looks kind of like a greater than, less than sign, to eat the bigger number. So 13 is bigger than 11, so my candy corn goes this way. Just like that. Let's try it this time with a Triscuit. Here we have 7 plus 2, that equals 9. And then we have 1 plus 8, that equals 9. So this one, we can't put a Triscuit there because it's just equal to. We'll try one more. Five plus 7 equals 12. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Which one is greater, 12 or 6? Yep, you're right, 12. So we will take our Triscuit, oops, and we want to make the bigger side go to the bigger number, just like this. I hope those math activities will help you with some math practice at home. The thing I love best about this activity is when you're done, you can eat your materials.